In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand the Xero dashboard. If you're new to Xero or just looking to get a better grasp of its dashboard, you're in the right place. The Xero dashboard is an essential tool for managing your business's finances, and we'll walk through it step by step so you can make the most of its features. Let's begin by heading over to your web browser. In the search bar, type Xero and hit enter. This will lead you to the Xero homepage. For those of you who might not be familiar, Xero is a cloud-based accounting software platform used by small and medium-sized businesses. Now, once the page loads, look for the Login button at the top right corner. Click on this, and if you don't already have an account, you might need to register. But for today, we'll assume you already have your credentials ready. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. At the top, you'll see a series of drop-down menus. These include categories like sales, purchases, reporting, payroll, accounting, contacts, and projects. Each of these menus offers tools to help you manage various aspects of your business. Whether you're invoicing clients, running payroll, or generating reports, everything you need is just a click away. Now let's adjust the dashboard to suit your preferences. You can customize what you see by clicking on Edit Dashboard. Here, you can choose which elements are most relevant to your business. Do you want quick access to invoices or perhaps your account watch list? Whatever your preference, simply toggle the options available. Once you've made your selections, make sure to click Save Changes. This saves your layout, ensuring the elements you use most frequently are always right there at your fingertips. On this dashboard, you can keep track of your business's financial health with ease. You'll see your business bank accounts displayed prominently. Monitoring these accounts daily can help you remain conscious of your cash flow. Below your bank accounts, you'll notice your account watch list. This watch list provides insights into key financial metrics that are critical for making informed decisions. The Xero dashboard also provides a clear overview of your total cash in and out. This feature enables you to gauge your liquidity and financial stability at a glance. You can also review the invoices owed to you, which is crucial for maintaining a positive cash flow. Just next to that, you'll see bills you need to pay, ensuring you never miss a due date and avoid any potential penalties. Finally, keep an eye on your expense claims on the dashboard. These provide a detailed breakdown of all claims submitted, allowing you to manage and track your expenses effectively. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently navigate your Xero dashboard, making it a powerful ally in managing your business's finances. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore all the features Xero has to offer to get the most out of your accounting system.